Hey, what's going on, guys? I am standing in our pre-owned section in front of this 2019 Puma 32 FBIS. It's a little bit of a different floor plan that you might normally see in your regular Pumas, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick tour of it. So we're going to start with the outside first. You got your power tongue jack. Two very large propane tanks are just behind there. Of course, your battery, diamond plating to help protect that front cap. And this is also a nice smooth front cap with the aluminum siding. Over here on our camping side, you have a massive outdoor kitchen. And normally you see the outdoor kitchen at the rear end of the coach. So the fact that it is here at the front of it is pretty interesting. A few drawers for some storage. Very large refrigerator for your fruits, vegetables, snacks, juice boxes, adult beverages, a microwave. You also have a sink out here so you can rinse some plates and utensils, extra countertop space, power back there so you can plug some small appliances in, a couple cabinets up above. And you also have lighting out here too, so you can kind of see what you're doing even if you get to the campground while it's still dark outside, or if it happens to get pretty dark like it is right now with the fall weather and everything, you can see what you're doing. And then you have a hot plate, so you definitely can cook something out here if you want. This also has front and rear power stabilizer jacks. Your main entrance has the solid steps with the oversized grab handle, and this does have the extended season camping. One slide out here on your camping side, LP Quick Connect. And there is a second entrance as well. Speakers, bracket for a TV plus an outlet, so you can have one out here if you'd like. And coming over here, spare tire. You are prepped for a rear observation camera. And with this rear ladder, you can climb up and keep up on that roof and slide out maintenance. Just makes things a lot easier. Two slide outs here on your non-camping side, and this is actually storage that leads to underneath your master bed. And there's that other slide out. Access to your water heater, outside shower, fresh and city water connection. So now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so as soon as we walk in, one thing that I noticed that I haven't seen in a Puma before, you have your bunks at the very front of the camper. So normally, just like the outside kitchen, you'll see your bunks at the end of the camper, but here is where it just starts, and it's pretty cool. 3 bunks. You have 1, 2, and 3. This right here is actually storage compartments for whoever is staying here. They can place their clothes in there and whatnot. And there's also a ladder as well to extend out. And there's even some storage that goes along back there. Spot for a TV. This is also a nightstand / dresser. You got a couple drawers. And then some cabinet space. Built-in clothes rack. The 2 top bunks have windows for a nice view and USB ports to charge some electronics. So this is just overall a really awesome spot for your kids. Even have a door for some privacy. If they're getting pretty rowdy, you can just close that door. And then painting around into the rest of our camper, your kitchen is over here located on your camping side, which again is just something that you don't normally see. U-shaped dinette, and this will convert into a sleeping spot for another guest or kid or friend or family member wanting to come stay with you. Love the U-shaped dinettes and the booth dinettes in general just because they're so comfortable and plush. Great for family dinners and even card game nights, board game nights. Windows cover this slide out for some natural light. And then just next to that, you have your theater reclining seats with built-in cup holders. Couple cabinets up above for some extra storage. And then across from your U-shaped dinette begins our kitchen. So you got your island in the middle. So you have additional countertop space if you need it for food prep. And the price comes out to be $29,885 for everything. And then just under here, you have your 50-50 split sink. Nice solid cover, so you can use this for even more countertop space. Stainless steel faucet. Storage is down below. And then a very, very large refrigerator that's also stainless steel. And then next to that, more countertop space, power if you need it, plus a window, drawer storage down below, stainless steel microwave, extra cabinet, range hood, 3-burner stove top with a glass cover, and there's your oven. And then diagonal from that is some extra pantry space, or you can just use this for additional living room storage. And that's the bottom one. At an angle too, so a perfect view from your theater reclining seats is your entertainment center. Fireplace is down below, so you can turn those really pretty lights on. And then your Bluetooth speaker system is just above there. Open storage for some decorations or knickknacks, and then a swivel TV. And then coming in here, we have our bathroom, and it's very bright in here with the skylight and the vent fan. There's just a lot of natural light coming in. Angled foot flush toilet. You even have a toilet paper holder. Storage below your sink. Of course, your sink. And this pink liquid, and you might have seen it on the kitchen cover, is actually for your winterizing. Power. Medicine cabinet. Towel rack, or I guess towel hook. And then your nicely rounded out shower with plenty of room to turn around in. And coming out here into our master bedroom space. This is also where our second entrance is at. So if your kids are sleeping or your guests are napping and you need to grab something from your bedroom, you can quickly access it from this outside entrance. Queen size bed, it does lift up for the additional storage underneath. End tables / shelves are on both sides. A couple cabinets in between. And then across from there, you have some extra countertop space for decorations. There's already a TV, which is nice. And then wardrobe storage. Plus you have some extra drawers down below. But I just thought this was an overall spacious bedroom to begin with. You have all of this walking space in front of it and you're not feeling super cramped. But there you have it. Any sort of questions or concerns about this unit, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.